The Turtle Beach Stealth 600 connects wirelessly to your Xbox Series X using the same pairing method as an Xbox controller. No cables required. First, power on your Xbox Series X console. Make sure it's fully booted up before proceeding with the headset pairing. Next, turn on your Stealth 600 headset by pressing and holding the power button until the LED lights up. The headset will indicate it's powered on. Now put your Xbox Series X into pairing mode by pressing the pairing button on the console. The LED will start blinking to indicate pairing mode is active. Put the headset into pairing mode by pressing and holding the connect button until the LED flashes rapidly. This indicates the headset is ready to pair. Once paired successfully, the LEDs on both devices will turn solid, and you'll see a headset assigned message on your TV screen. The connection is now complete. If you encounter any pairing issues, perform a hard reset of your Xbox Series X by holding the power button until it completely shuts down. Then try the pairing process again. Now that your Stealth 600 is connected, proper audio configuration ensures the best gaming experience. We'll cover essential settings and troubleshooting steps. First, optimize your audio settings on Xbox. Navigate to Profile and System, then Settings, General, and Volume and Audio Output. Here's the Volume and Audio Output settings screen. This is where you'll configure your headset for optimal performance. Set your headset format to Windows Sonic for headphones. This provides enhanced spatial audio for gaming and improves your overall audio experience. Adjust your headset volume and chat mixer to your preference. The chat mixer balances game audio with voice chat, while mic monitoring lets you hear your own voice. Keep your Stealth 600 firmware updated to avoid compatibility issues. Use the Turtle Beach Audio Hub software on your PC or Mac to check for updates. The Audio Hub allows you to customize EQ settings, update firmware, and configure advanced features. Regular updates ensure optimal performance and compatibility with Xbox Series X. If you experience connection issues, try these troubleshooting steps. First, ensure your headset is sufficiently charged, then attempt to repair the devices. For persistent issues, perform a hard reset on your Xbox Series X. Hold the power button until the console completely shuts down, then restart it. If problems continue after trying these steps, contact Turtle Beach Support for further assistance. They can provide device-specific troubleshooting and warranty support. With proper audio configuration and these troubleshooting techniques, your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 will provide excellent wireless gaming audio on Xbox Series X.